This is Alisha Caillie-Fleet with eXp Realty, and today we will be discussing innovative storage solutions for tackling kids' room clutter. First is Mudroom Mastery, creating highly functional and organized kids' mudroom. Next is the Weather Ready Station, creating efficient storage for weather-related gear. The third one is Playroom Ingenuity, incorporating a playroom into an open living space. Next is Staircase Storage Solutions, turning the awkward nooks under the stairs into organized storage solutions. The sixth one is Shoe Neatness, organized and visually pleasing shoe storage area. Then the next one is Grab and Go Efficiency, establishing a grab-and-go system using durable transport bags, personalized for each child, simplifies toy transportation, and fosters children's independence. And lastly, Nightstand Harmony, creating dedicated space for nightly routines, enhancing harmony and order. Maximizing space in kids' rooms demands a revolutionary approach to storage solutions. Implement these ideas to create an organized haven, fostering independence in children as they manage their belongings. Follow me for more.